Max Weber, German sociologist, contributed a theory on bureaucracy. The term bureaucracy finds its origin from French word bureau, which means desk, and a government which is run from table is called a bureaucratic government. The word implies a particular system of administration. Historically, it has been associated with rule of government and government officials. In this form of the government, there is a concentration of power in the heads of the department. Definition of bureaucracy, Max Weber. Bureaucracy is a type of hierarchical organization which is designed rationally to coordinate the work of many individuals in pursuit of large-scale administrative tasks. Weber, the prime architect of the theory of bureaucracy, Weber is the first sociologist to analyze the function of bureaucracy from the sociological point of view. Weber's theory of bureaucracy is a significant contribution to the field of sociology. Weber is also interested in the nature of power and authority, so he led him to establish a theory of bureaucracy. Weber felt that the operation of modern large-scale enterprises or organizations in the political, administrative, and economic fields would be possible without bureaucracy. Bureaucratic coordination of activities is the distinction mark of the modern era. Bureaucracies can be understood as a large-scale formal organizations of the modern society with specialized functions. Bureaucratization and rationalizations always go together because bureaucracies are organized according to the rational principles. Characteristics of bureaucracy: fixed official jurisdiction area. Bureaucracies normally have their own official fixed jurisdictions. Bureaucracy consists of various status, each of which has its own fixed official duties. Hierarchy of authority. Bureaucracy has its own hierarchy of status. Officials who occupy these status governed by the principles of superordination and subordination. There is a supervision of the lower officers by the higher ones. Clear-cut division of labor. The entire task of the bureaucratic system is governed by the assimilated division of labor, appointment based on eligibility. Bureaucracy has its own system of selecting employees and giving them promotions on the basis of seniority, technical competencies, specialized knowledge, or skill. Fixed salary, allowance, and pension. The officials of the bureaucracy has paid monthly salary and other type of allowances and pensions as per the written rules. Office and maintenance of files. Bureaucracy as the organizational functions through on office wherein all the matters and transactions related to its area of operations are maintained in the form of the files. Thank you.